We're here today doing this elephant toothpaste project. My 5th period teacher, shout out Mr. Crane, he told me to do this. And I guess it's called elephant toothpaste, a kid-safe version. So let's get this. And we don't have hydrogen peroxide. Let's go. Just a little bit technical difficulties. We got it now. Oh, it's already open. Okay. Oh, we poured it here. Half cup. So we got that. And you're gonna want to pour it into whatever bottle you're using. Okay, so we got that, and after you're gonna want to get your, make sure this is clean, and you're gonna want to get your dish soap and put it 1/4 cup. Huh? I don't care. It's fine. You're gonna want to pour your dish soap in here. Dude, I'm gonna be so mad if this doesn't work. And then we got this. You could get any type of food coloring you want. We chose green. As you can see, our hands are all dirty.
Oh, the lean face. Pause.
Okay then.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Mix it around. And then get your 1 cup of water, not too, don't fill it up too high. And you're gonna want to do 2 tablespoons of active yeast.
It's not one.
My bad, guys.
1 tablespoon. And mix that around.
Mix it up. Big chunks in here.
So mix. Mix it. Mix it with that, baby.
What?
Stir it. There you go.
It's not gonna work.
And now the mixture goes in. Hurry. Get away!
Oh!
Oh, look.
Sheesh! It actually worked.
This is the kid safe.
If not, it would just go.
Is it safe to touch?
Not that hot. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more stuff like this, well, whoa. Make sure to, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what you want to see next.